One of the pillars of this government is infrastructure together with energy. And the infrastructure represents $80 billion of investment opportunities in Argentina. This will be in highways, in ports, in railway passenger, in schools, in irrigation system. And for that, one of the reasons for the underinvestment in Argentina in the last 20 or 30 years is the lack of financing. And one of the tools that this government is relying on to obtain financing for these infrastructure projects is the new PPP law. The new PPP law represents a new paradigm, and it's a new way for the government to connect with the private system. It's a more balanced way to allocate the risks between the private party and the public sector. And for that, the government has obtained, and after some changes that were, introduced in the Congress, the government obtained a result that was the new law that was passed by the Congress last month, that is subject to regulation. This PP law is modeled out of the UK system, the Brazilian system, the Mexican system, and basically there is a need of the government for certain infrastructure project, and the private sector will provide a solution or a service for that, and will finance the work, and the government will pay a periodic monthly canon or yearly canon for that service. And the new system is very flexible in terms of the security packages, very flexible in terms of the vehicle that could be the contractor for the government, is very flexible in terms of the stepping rights for the banks to step in the rights of the contractor if there is any default. The extraordinary rights granted to the public sector, traditionally granted in the public sector works and in the concession agreements, are not applicable in this system, so it's more governed by the civil law rather than the administrative law principles. If there is any termination of the agreement by the government, all of the indemnification rights of the contracting party will be accepted and respected, including loss of profit. And more importantly, I guess, is that any disputes by the parties under this agreement, or on any matter concerning the project, will be resolved in arbitration that could take place outside Argentina. So again, the government is putting a lot of emphasis in infrastructure. We think that there's a lot of opportunities in this sector. Is very important in this new framework of PPPs to draft the agreement properly, so the allocation of risks between the parties are balanced and are monitored and are allocated to the parties that can minimize the risks more appropriately. And we think that in everything that concerns a highway system, there is a very good opportunity to rely on the PPP framework. Thank you very much.